So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix TikTok live access is needed to go live as a guest. Error step by step solution. Fix 1 is check and fix your account age. Open TikTok and tap profile in the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select setting and privacy, then tap account. Check your user info for accuracy. Update your age if it corrected or missing if prompted. Submit a photo of your ID to verify you are 18 plus. Second fix is clear TikTok app cache. Go to setting and privacy in TikTok, then scroll down to the free up space section. Then tap clear next to cache. Log out of your account, close the app completely, then log back in your account. Third fix is update and reset device permission. Open the main setting app on your phone, then navigate to app or application manager. Then select TikTok from the list of app. Tap on permission, then ensure that both camera and microphone permission are set to allow. Open your app store, then update TikTok to the latest version. Fourth fix is have the host change guest setting. Instruct the host to tap the multi-guest grid icon on their live screen. Then have the host open the setting icon within the multi-guest app menu. Then advise the host to change the request setting from only creator with live access to all viewers. Fifth fix is submit an appeal ticket. Navigate to TikTok profile and select the three lines for setting and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on report a problem. Choose the category live, then hosting live, then live is suspended. Then select no under is your problem resolved and tap needed if more help. Then type the message I am 18 plus but I received the live access is needed. Error when trying to guest. Please fix my live permission. Hit submit to send your request. Thanks for watching.